In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in HubSpot. A landing page is a focused page designed to guide visitors toward a single action, like signing up or downloading a resource. We'll walk through getting set up quickly and show you exactly where to make your edits so the page reflects your brand and message. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, you'll use HubSpot's navigation to get to the landing page tools. At the top of the screen, go to Content, then click on Landing Pages. This opens your landing page area where you can see existing pages and begin creating a new one. Next, click on Create Landing Page. You'll usually find this button near the top right. Clicking this starts the process and takes you to a gallery of options designed to help you move fast without building everything from scratch. Now select a template, browse through the available designs, and choose one that fits your goal and style. Look for a layout with a clear hero section for your headline, enough space for supporting text, and room for an image or video if you plan to use one. Templates are built to be mobile responsive, but it's still smart to pick a clean structure that showcases your message and makes your call to action easy to spot. After you select the template, you'll be taken to the editor. This is where the page comes to life. Click directly on any text to edit it. Keep your headline clear and benefit-driven, and make your supporting copy concise. If your template includes a call to action button, write short, action-oriented text that matches your goal. Add your logo by selecting the logo area and replacing the placeholder with your brand file. Use a high-quality image so it stays crisp, and keep sizing consistent to avoid crowding the header. While you're updating content, make sure colors and fonts align with your brand so everything feels cohesive. Continue editing content as needed. Replace placeholder text and images with your own, and adjust sections to highlight key points. You can add elements and media such as buttons, images, and videos using the editor's controls. Place visuals where they support the message, include descriptive alt text for accessibility, and keep file sizes reasonable so the page loads quickly. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to the landing page tool, created a new page, chosen the right template, and customized it in the editor by updating text, adding your logo, and inserting the elements and media you need. You now have a solid landing page foundation ready to represent your brand and guide visitors toward your goal.